Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will discuss about update your phone for fixed drop calls part 2. So go to settings, then general, then go to software update, and tap download and install to update your iPhone. Download and install to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. To install an Android update, go to settings, system, then advanced, then go to system update, and tap check for updates. Tap check for updates. The steps to install Android. The steps to install Android. Updates may vary depending on the model of your Android smartphone. Contact your phone's manufacturer. For detailed instructions on installing Android update. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.